In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an internal wiki in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and go to your team space from the Overview area. Think of a space as the main home for a department or team. Building your wiki inside the right space makes it easier for everyone to find, and it keeps your internal knowledge organized alongside the work it supports. Once you are in the correct space, look for the main options near the top of your workspace. Click the highlighted area where you can add or manage views and tools for this space. This is where you can set up the structure that will hold your internal wiki content. Next, click on Templates. Templates are a fast way to create a wiki layout that already includes helpful sections and page organization. Instead of starting with a blank document, you will be able to use a proven format and customize it for your team. From the template library, select the SOP library template. This type of template is designed for internal documentation, like processes, standards, and step-by-step instructions that teams need to repeat consistently. When your wiki is based on SOPs, it becomes much easier to train new team members and keep day-to-day work aligned. After selecting the template, click Use Template. You may be prompted again to confirm where you want it added, so click Use Template a second time to finalize the setup. ClickUp will then generate the wiki structure for you, including pre-built sections you can rename and adjust later. Once the template is created, click on Status to view how the content is organized. Then select Active Depth SOPs. This area typically holds the procedures that are currently in use, which helps separate active documentation from drafts or older material. Now switch to the board view by clicking Board. A board layout is useful for managing documentation like workflow, because you can move items through stages as they are drafted, reviewed, and finalized. Finally, click SOP Docs. This takes you into the documentation hub created by the template, where the actual wiki documents live. From here, you can begin editing pages, adding new SOPs, and keeping your internal wiki up to date as your processes evolve. That covers everything you need to know.